Now, I know it doesn't feel like it, but Easter is literally just round the corner, which means you need to start thinking about your Easter designs. Now, with that being said, in this video, I have 35 of these designs which I want to share with you and that you can come through and play around with the prompts. Now, what I'm going to do is show you these designs. We're going to take a look at the prompts. I'm going to show you how I came up with all of these ideas and created all of these as well. And then I'm also going to give you a free resource to where you can take all of these prompts from here and then create an endless stream of new prompts, all in this same style. Now, first off, by the time you watch this video, all of these will be on my public profile, which is just here. Now, what I'll do is link this down in the description, just so it's a little bit easier for you to click through, come through, and check out all of the designs, if you have an Ideogram account. So, how did I actually come up with all of these designs? Well, it all stemmed from watching a video. And this is by RJ. He has one of the best channels out there for print on demand. Now, I was watching this video, which is 20 best t-shirt print on demand niches for Easter. And I really liked some of the designs within this video. So what I did was actually screenshotted some of the designs. Then I came over and used one of my custom made GPTs, which is this. Now, this is my Ideo Mastery t-shirt prompt generator, and this can be found in my little Ideo Mastery course. Now, the star of the show in this are my custom made GPTs, which are just here. But nonetheless, I used my GPT and then I started asking it questions and I was uploading some of these designs, as you can see just here. All I put was, I want to make a prompt for this design and only the design. I want it different, but still Easter. It gave me a prompt. And then I started going through doing this with all of the screenshots, as you can see just here. Now, the great thing about my prompt generator is that it just gives you ready-made ideogram prompts without having to prime ChatGPT first, because this is exactly what it was made for. But I went through, started doing the screenshots, started getting more prompts, and then once I'd done that, I had made quite a few different designs here in Ideogram. But then I started taking these designs, started taking the prompts, and then feeding it back into the GPT. So if we scroll down to here, I am now going to give you my favorite prompts. I want new and unique ideas based off these and in the same style. So this is where I fed it all of the prompts from the designs that I'd just created. And this is how I started getting better results. And then I just started taking all of these prompts, plugging them into Ideogram, and this is how I got all of these. Now, again, all of these are going to be on my public profile, so all you have to do is come through. If you like a design, come through, click onto the design, then you can use the prompt and or the magic prompt. Now, if you're going to try and use these prompts exactly, which I suggest that you really don't do, then please check for trademarks, because all of these quotes just here, I have not checked. This is just me playing around, creating designs. But you can come through, click on any of these that you want. You can click on, let's find one. Let's go with this one. Then you can click use prompt, and then you can click generate. But what I highly suggest doing is using a little free resource which I have for you, and I'm going to get to that in a second. I first just want to go through these so you can see what these look like, because there's 35 different designs that you can play around with. You can just take the prompt, play around with colors, play around with the quote yourself, or use my little free resource, which I'll share in a second. So let me just go through these. I'll carry on talking as I'm showing you these. Now, this is one of my favorites, Game Strong. I'd probably change the colors on this, but it looks really good. All of these do look pretty good. And there's not many mistakes in these that I'd have to clean up. Now, I don't get this one. I don't care at all. Kind of like a play on I don't care at all, but it's I don't carrot all. Then we have cluck around and find out, and some really, really great ones. I really liked this with the yoked for Easter, correct but still cute, baskets loaded, let's hop, and some really, really great ones. So again, all of these are going to be on my public profile. You can come through, check them out, play around with the prompts, and you can take all of these prompts and then use them, which I'll show you in a second, in my little freebie. Now, I really liked how this one turned out as well. Let's just carry on going through these to roundabout just here. Now, let's come off there for a second and let's come over to here. Now, this is something I made a while back. This is called Prompt Playground. This is completely free. All you have to do is put in name a fair price, put in 0, click on I want this, and then follow the steps. But what this does is a little mini course, and it shows you how to take any prompts, not just mine. You can take any ideogram prompts, and then you can prime ChatGPT to give you more prompts based on the prompts that you give it. So if we come just here, here's what you'll learn inside, and these are the tools that you need: an Ideogram account, free or paid, and a ChatGPT account, free or paid. And there's modules for t-shirt designs, stickers, clip arts, and coloring pages. So any prompts of mine or any other prompts that you find here on Ideogram, you're going to be able to take them and then create an endless stream of new prompts for new designs based on the prompts that you give it. So if you do want to check that out, what I'll do is link this down in the description below. And in regards with my public profile, again, I'll link this down in the description. I have lots of different things on here. Stuff to do with colouring pages, stuff to do with clip art, print on demand, stickers, and lots of cool stuff. And again, that little freebie is going to show you how to take any of these prompts that you like, feed them into ChatGPT, and get an endless amount of never-ending new prompts that you can then use. So let's just come back over to here for a second so that we can take one more look at these, because I really like how these turned out. I really like this one, 100% excellent, game strong, bunny uppercut, cluck around and find out, hunting vibes only. This one turned out really great as well. Then yoked for Easter, I really like that, cracked but still cute. Some bunny in pre-K loves me. So this is quite adorable, and it's just a really nice design as well. Then straight outer egg hunts, I really liked how this one turned out. This looks pretty cool. And then the few others. Now I really liked this one as well, and I really liked this one. Now in fact, I am thinking of doing more designs, but in this game retro style design. And I might do that just to see what they come out like. Now, if I do, I'll probably make a video all about that as well. But nonetheless, come through. These are all going to be on my public profile. Play around with them. Change the prompts, change the colours, change the quotes, and do whatever you want. Just remember, if you're going to try and use the quotes which are already in here, please, please, please check for trademarks, because you don't want any problems further down the road. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful at all, then don't forget to give me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and have a watch of this.